What is going on, everybody? It's your boy G with Supreme Drone Services. Today I'm going to show you how to use DJI Modify to classify ground. Here we have Modify open up in the top right, create project, point cloud. You can name your project. We're going to select our LAS. Sadly, they don't accept LAZs yet, but hopefully they'll add that in here soon. Loading project. No coordinate system available, use arbitrary. So basically it's not going to use any sort of coordinate system. It's not going to do any sort of projection. We're just using this tool to classify ground. So press OK. And then it takes a second to load here. So I will be back shortly. Okay, our point cloud has loaded. Now we're going to run the auto ground classification tool up here in the top center, ground point classification. And then here on the right side, we're going to toggle the ground point classification. Max building size. For this site, it is 36 meters, I believe. And then we're going to leave the rest at default. And we're going to click classify. And I'm going to let this run, and I will be back here shortly. All right, guys, the auto ground classification has completed. So to navigate here, you right click to move the entire point cloud. You press and hold scroll wheel to pan tilt. You scroll in, scroll out for zoom, and then left click is going to be your actual selection. Let's come in here and kind of take a look at the ground class and see how Modify did. And I've only been using Modify for about a week, but I must say the auto ground class seems to be very, very good. I have been impressed. One thing I would like to show you guys is how to do some manual cleanup here. So we can come along the creek here and find some areas. So say this little piece here, we're like, okay, this is ground. So we can come in here up at the top, polygon tool, and you can just select the area and then right click, classify ground. And it's really that simple to do some manual cleanup. There's a rectangle tool as well. Which does a rectangle, and then there's a smart selection and that you can change the radius on here, and it'll do a smart selection. I definitely prefer the polygon tool. But yeah, that's how you do your manual cleanup, and I must say I've been impressed with Modify so far, so I'm definitely going to keep messing around with it. I'm also going to take this ground classified point cloud, throw it in Virtual Surveyor, show you guys how to generate a surface, draft some break lines, do some additional work. That'll be our next video coming out here soon. If you got any questions, please leave them down below. Really appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.